Hi guys, welcome back. If you're a subscriber, thank you, welcome back. If you're not, consider subscribing. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of a little thing that I picked up. I don't know if you guys know, but I love obviously I love bags, but I also collect watches, and mainly my watches are Michael Kors. I have a few others there. I have a Michelle watch, I'm a bottle, but the majority is Michael Kors. I love their watches. I like how sturdy they feel, and you know, the price is pretty good too, so can't complain about that. And it's very good quality, very good quality, their watches. Like I said, I have a collection of them, and I decided to add another, and this is how it came in this box, like this, and here it is, and then obviously the receipt. Every time I order them, either I mostly get them from Macy's, or sometimes I get them from Michael Kors itself, which this one I did get it from Michael Kors. And you know, in Macy's, when you buy them, you can take them and they do the sizing for free. All you do is show them the receipt that you got it there at Macy's, and they size it for you. For me, I always have to take out 2. See my wrists? I mean, pretty small wrists, but I mostly take out 2. Once in a blue moon, I'll take out 3, but the majority of the time I take out 2. But you can also go, if there's not a Macy's nearby you or whatever, you can also go to Michael Kors, because it's Michael Kors, so they'll size it for free as well. And yeah, so with this one, since I got it at Michael Kors, so I'm just gonna go to the Michael Kors in the mall that I have here, and I'll have them size it for me there. But yeah, so this is the box right there, and then it says, you know, sturdy box. This is cute. And when you open it up, got this. It looks white. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see the color, but it's a really baby pink. That's the inside. Okay, so it's not gonna pick up the color too much. Kind of looks white. Maybe if I put it on, well, this is the little pillow that it has, and it's a really soft pink, and it's ceramic. The band is ceramic. Maybe if I put it on, you guys will be able to. It's kind of like a pinkish like this, but for some reason it's not picking it up. It's not doing it justice, guys, this my phone, but I don't know, maybe, yeah, I don't know, it still looks white for some reason. But yeah, it's a really baby pink color. Really beautiful. Maybe there you can see it lightly.
That looks like white.
It looks like white, right? Yeah, but it's a pink. But anyway, so really the watch, the original one, these are the tags here. And as I said, it was ceramic, so it says ceramic. And the price, original price, was $325, and they had it in Macy's on sale as well. I don't know if it was like 20% off or something like that, and they had it there for $246, I believe it was. Don't quote me, but around that price, like 240 something. And then, you know, I decided, let me go to the Michael Kors site itself. And when I went in there, to my surprise, it was, I don't know how much off, but it was like $150 from $325, which obviously would have been, you know, more with the taxes. But I'm gonna tell you exactly. This is it here. Yeah, it was $159.25. $159.25. And then with the taxes, it came out $173. So, like I said, you can't go wrong. And I don't know, I'm trying to get you guys to see the exact color of it, maybe putting it against the white, but
it sucks to get like a light color.
Yeah,
like
but
that,
it's a really
like
baby pink color.
Like really light. That's
see,
right.
Like right there,
like
this color right there, like you see the pinkish. That's how it is. And all my other watches, they're like, you know, thicker, a little thicker here. But this one is, you know, a little thinner. But, you know, obviously it still has, you know, the weight, the good quality that Michael Kors has in their watches. But, yeah, so that's about it, guys. That's the watch.
This. No knives.
Right there. And on my wrist, that's how it looks. Gorgeous, see? So I have to size it. So I don't know if this one, because they're small, I have to take out 3 maybe, but yeah, this is a really big gap. But, you know, I'll try the 2 like I always do, and then I'll have them take out another one. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. This was a little quick unboxing that I had. And thank you so much for joining me. And
bye-bye.
Bye, guys. As always, stay safe, and thank you so much. Bye.